guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a keto choco chip protein ice cream. Let's quickly go and see the ingredients. First, we require a mason jar. In that mason jar, I'm going to add fresh cream. So I have 3 fresh creams with me. First, we're going to add 1 fresh cream to it. There we go. Now I'm going to add Hershey's Cocoa Unsweetened. I'm going to add 5 spoons of the same. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There we go. Because we are doing a double chocolate dark ice cream. Now I'm going to open and add my second cream. Next I'm going to add is stevia powder. So I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of the same. Okay, I'm going for 4 tablespoons of the same. Next we have is INJA collagen. I'm going to add the collagen to the same. So I'm adding 2 scoops of collagen. Next I'm going to add is 6 packs glutamine. I'm adding 2 scoops of glutamine to the same. Lastly, I'm going to add Whey ABC. So I'm going to add 2 scoops of my Whey ABC. Now I'm going to mix my ice cream. So I have used only 2 whole fresh creams. Lastly, I'm going to add my lint. So I have here lint 99%. I have already crushed it so that it can work like chocolate chips for me. That's 99% lint. And I'm going to add, this is 50 grams of the same thing. I'm going to add half of it. That means 25 grams of chopped lint 99%. So it's going to be extremely bitter, but the stevia is going to neutralize the taste. And now I'm going to give it a nice whip. And now I've put the lid of the mason jar. And now I'm just going to give it a nice shake. So you're going to shake it for about 60 seconds. So you see how chocolatey it looks. And it's loaded with proteins. That means you can eat it guilt-free. And now this is going to go into the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. And our chocolate chip protein mason ice cream is ready. Now I'm just going to open the mason jar. Take an ice cream scoop or a spoon if you have. And now we are going to top it up with some chopped lint. Add that on top. And to add more taste, I have my homemade chocolate sauce. I'm going to add that as well. And our healthy chocolate chip protein ice cream is ready. Lastly, every scoop of ice cream would contain minimum 10 to 15 grams of protein because we have used isoline by 6 packs in the same. Thank you so much Isoline and ZEVIC Stevia for making the ice cream possible. Love it. Thank you. Please share the channel with as many friends and people as possible so that they can get to hear more information about the same. Thank you and lots of love.